Hello, welcome to University of St. Thomas General Chemistry 2 Visual Labs Colligative Properties. The purpose of this experiment is to use freezing point depression to find the molar mass of an unknown compound. For introduction, colligative properties are properties of solutions that depend upon the ratio of the number of solute particles to the number of solvent molecules in a solution and not on the type of chemical species present. The equation delta Tf equals Kf times m represents change in freezing point. Kf is the freezing point depression constant and m is molality. Molality equals moles of solute divided by kilograms of solvent. First step of this experiment is to open Microlab. You'll click the Microlab icon. You'll start by selecting Add Sensor. Click the drop-down menu and select Thermistor. Then click Next. Second, we'll select Recalibration File. We have already calibrated, so you'll select Model 103 Thermistor. After that, you'll click Next. Next, we're going to add another sensor. From the drop-down menu, you'll select Time, then click Next, and then Finish. Now that we've added our sensors, we will set up our tables. To do this, you'll drag the sensors to their corresponding places. First, you'll drag temperature to the y-axis of the table and time to the x-axis. Then you'll drag both sensors to the table on the bottom. Lastly, you'll drag temperature to the digital display. Now we're going to set up our data sheet. You may pause the video at any time to record your answers. We're going to start with the mass of acetic acid. Next, we will conduct 3 trials to find the freezing point of acetic acid. After all 3 trials are completed, you will have to find the average. Trial 1, you need to make sure that you record your answer when the temperature is steady. You may use the table to find when the temperature is at a plateau. Trial 2. Trial 3. Now we will add in our unknown 1. You will need to record the mass. Just like before, we will run 3 trials to find the freezing point of the mixture. After, you will find the average. Trial 1, remember that you can use the table to find when the temperature plateaus. Trial 2. Trial 3. Now we will complete the post-lab questions. For number 1, you're going to calculate the molality of your solution. You're going to use the equation delta TF equals KF times M. Delta TF equals the average of freezing point of acetic acid minus average of freezing point of the mixture. KF is the freezing point depression constant for acetic acid, where KF equals 3.90. M is the molality of your solution. Molality equals moles of solute divided by kilograms of solvent. Number 2, you're going to use the molality of your solution and the mass of acetic acid to calculate the moles of your unknown. Again, molality equals moles of solute divided by kilogram of solvent. Number 3, you're going to calculate the experimental molar mass of your unknown in grams per mole. Molar mass of unknown equals mass of unknown divided by moles of unknown.